Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beginner English Speaking TV.
We are so happy you are here with us again today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. We are your friendly English teachers, ready to help you speak English more easily.
Yes, our goal is to make learning English simple and fun for you. We know you can do it.
That's right. Today, we have a very tasty topic for you. We are going to talk about words for eating and drinking.
Oh, Mike, I love this topic. Eating and drinking are things we do every single day. So these words are very important for your daily English conversations.
Absolutely. Imagine you are in a restaurant or you are talking about your day with a friend. You will need these words.
Yes, so get ready to listen carefully. You can relax, maybe have a nice cup of tea or water while you listen.
Yes, perfect idea. We will say some important English sentences. Listen to them. Try to understand them. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word. Just focus on the main idea.
And then we will practice together. You can repeat after us nice and slowly. We will give you time.
So, are you ready? Let's begin our lesson on eating and drinking words.
Wonderful. Let's start with some common sentences. Listen closely.
Okay, our first word is eat. This is a very common word. Listen, I eat an apple every day.
Eat means to put food in your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. It's how we get energy from food. For example, you eat breakfast, you eat lunch, you eat dinner.
Yes, like he eats a sandwich for lunch, or they eat rice with their meal. It's very simple. Eat is what you do with food.
Exactly. Now for our second word, drink. Listen, she drinks water often.
Drink means to put liquid, like water, juice, or coffee, into your mouth and swallow it. We drink when we are thirsty.
That's right. Think about your favorite juice. You drink it. Or a hot cup of coffee in the morning. You drink coffee. So eat for food, drink for liquids.
Good distinction, Sarah. Our third word is hungry. Listen, I am hungry now. I want food.
When you are hungry, your stomach feels empty and your body needs food. You feel a desire to eat. Maybe your stomach makes a small noise.
Yes, when I am hungry, I think about food a lot. Maybe you feel weak. You need to eat something. The baby is hungry, so he is crying.
Poor baby. Our fourth word is similar, but for liquids. Thirsty. Listen, are you thirsty? Here is some water.
Thirsty means your body needs water or another drink. Your mouth might feel dry. You want to drink something.
Yes, when it's hot outside, I often feel very thirsty, so I drink a lot of water. If you exercise, you also feel thirsty.
Okay, moving on to times of day for eating. Our fifth word is breakfast. Listen, we eat breakfast in the morning.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. You eat it after you wake up, usually in the morning. Some people eat eggs for breakfast, some eat toast.
That's right. It breaks the fast from when you were sleeping. It's an important meal to start your day. What do you eat for breakfast?
Good question. Our sixth word is lunch. Listen, I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Lunch is the meal you eat in the middle of the day, usually around noon or early afternoon. Many people eat lunch at work or school.
Yes, it's the meal between breakfast and dinner. Often, it's a lighter meal. Do you want to have lunch with me?
Excellent. Our seventh word is dinner. Listen, my family eats dinner together in the evening.
Dinner is the main meal of the day, usually eaten in the evening. It's often a time when families gather together.
Yes, after work or school, people come home and have dinner. It's usually the biggest meal for many cultures. What are you having for dinner tonight?
Making me hungry just thinking about it, Mike. Our eighth word is snack. Listen, a cookie is a nice snack.
A snack is a small amount of food eaten between main meals. It's not breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but something small when you feel a little hungry.
Yes, like fruit, a small bag of chips, or a cookie. When you are a little hungry, but it's not time for a big meal, you have a snack. I need a snack before dinner.
Okay, our ninth word is cook. Listen, my mom cooks delicious food.
Cook means to prepare food, usually using heat. When you make food in the kitchen, you cook. For example, you cook eggs, you cook pasta, you cook vegetables.
Yes, a person who cooks is called a cook or a chef. I like to cook dinner for my family. Or, can you cook pasta?
Our 10th word is taste. Listen, this soup tastes good.
Taste refers to the flavor of food or drink. It's how your tongue perceives sweet, sour, salty, bitter, or umami. If something is good, it tastes good.
Yes, you can say, this coffee tastes bitter, or the cake tastes sweet. You use your tongue to taste food. It is a sense.
Our 11th word is delicious. Listen, the pizza is delicious.
Delicious is an adjective we use to describe food or drink that tastes very, very good. It's a stronger word than just good.
Exactly. When something is super tasty, wonderful flavor, you say it is delicious. This dessert is absolutely delicious. It makes you happy to eat it.
I love delicious food. Our 12th word is water. Listen, please give me some water.
Water is a clear, tasteless liquid that we all need to drink to live. It is essential for life.
Yes, it's the most basic drink. You can ask for a glass of water. I always drink water with my meals.
13th word, coffee. Listen, I drink coffee in the morning.
Coffee is a popular hot drink made from roasted coffee beans. Many people drink coffee to feel more awake in the morning.
It's very common around the world. Would you like a cup of coffee? Or, I need my coffee before I can work.
Our 14th word is food. Listen, what is your favorite food?
Food is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink, or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. It's a general word for things you eat.
Yes, apples are food. Bread is food. Meat is food. Vegetables are food. We need to buy more food for the house.
Our 15th word is restaurant. Listen, let's go to a restaurant tonight.
A restaurant is a place where you can buy and eat a meal. You go there when you don't want to cook at home.
Yes, you sit down, someone brings you a menu, you order, and they bring you food. There is a new Italian restaurant nearby.
Our 16th word is menu. Listen, can I see the menu, please?
A menu is a list of food and drinks that a restaurant offers. It shows the names of the dishes and their prices.
Yes, when you sit down at a restaurant, the server will usually bring you a menu. You read the menu to decide what you want to order.
17th word, order. Listen, I want to order a salad.
To order means to tell the server what food or drink you would like to have from the menu. You make your choice.
That's right. After you look at the menu, you order your food. Are you ready to order?
Our 18th word is server. Listen, the server brought our food.
A server is the person who works in a restaurant and takes your order, brings you your food and drinks, and cleans the tables.
Yes, sometimes we call them a waiter if it's a man, or a waitress if it's a woman, but server is a good general word for everyone.
19th word, plate. Listen, put the food on the plate.
A plate is a flat, round dish that you put your food on when you eat. We eat from plates at the table.
Yes, after you cook, you put the food on a plate. Can I have another plate, please?
And finally, our 20th word is glass. Listen, my glass is empty.
A glass is a container, usually made of glass, that you use to drink liquids from, like a glass of water or a glass of juice.
Exactly. It's what you hold in your hand when you drink. Please fill my glass with water.
Wow, 20 words! You've just heard many important words and sentences about eating and drinking.
Great job listening, everyone. Now it's time to practice your speaking. We are going to say some of those sentences again.
And we want you to repeat them after us. We will say a sentence, then pause. In that pause, you say the sentence out loud. Don't be shy.
It's okay if your pronunciation is not perfect. Just try your best. The more you speak, the better you will get.
Let's start slowly. Repeat after me. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple every day.
Good. Now repeat after me. She drinks water often. She drinks water often.
Great! Let's try another one. I am hungry now. I am hungry now.
You're doing wonderfully. My turn. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty?
Keep going. You've got this. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat breakfast in the morning.
Excellent. Now let's try something a little different. This is called shadowing.
Shadowing means you try to speak along with us. At the same time, try to match our speed and rhythm.
It helps you feel more natural when speaking. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to follow along.
Okay, let's try some shadowing. Speak with me. The pizza is delicious. The pizza is delicious.
Wonderful. Try to follow my voice. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
One more time, with me. I want to order a salad. I want to order a salad.
You are doing so well, giving your voice a workout. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Now, to help you see these words in action, Sarah and I are going to do a short, simple dialogue.
Yes, we will pretend we are in a coffee shop or a small restaurant. Listen for the words you just learned.
Sound of a coffee shop ambience. Soft background chatter. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Mike. I'm good, thank you. But I am a little hungry and very thirsty.
Oh, me too. It's a good thing we came to this cafe. I hope they have good food.
Yes. Can I see the menu, please?
Oh, the server is coming now. Hello, can we please see the menu? There are many nice things. I think I want to order a sandwich.
Oh, a sandwich sounds good. I will order a salad. And I need to drink some water first. I am so thirsty.
Yes, me too. I will ask for a glass of water, and then I think I will also order a coffee.
Good idea. I will just have water for now. I am too hungry for coffee before I eat.
Our food is here. Wow, this sandwich looks delicious.
Mine too. This salad looks fresh and delicious. Let's eat.
Yes, let's eat. Sound of quiet eating, then a sigh of satisfaction. That was good.
That was a delicious lunch, Mike. I am not hungry anymore. And I drank all my water. I feel much better.
Me too, Sarah. That was a perfect example of using our words today.
It was. We used hungry, thirsty, menu, order, server, eat, drink, water, coffee, delicious, and glass.
So many words in a short conversation. That's how real English works.
Now, let's quickly recap some of the most useful words we learned today. This is a good chance to check your understanding.
I will say the word, and Sarah will give a simple explanation and example. Then we will switch.
Ready? First word, eat.
Eat means to take food into your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. Example, I eat breakfast every morning.
Next word, drink.
Drink means to take a liquid, like water or juice, into your mouth and swallow it. Example, I drink a lot of water every day.
Our third word, hungry.
When you are hungry, you need food. Your stomach feels empty. Example, I am hungry. I want a snack.
And number 4, thirsty.
When you are thirsty, you need water or another liquid. Your mouth might feel dry. Example, I feel thirsty after my run.
Fifth word, delicious.
Delicious means food or drink tastes very, very good. It is wonderful. Example, this cake is so delicious.
Next, menu.
A menu is a list of all the food and drinks you can buy in a restaurant or cafe. Example, can I see the menu, please?
And finally, for our recap, order.
To order means to tell the server what food or drink you want from the menu. Example, I want to order pasta for dinner.
Fantastic! You have learned so many valuable words today for talking about eating and drinking.
And you've practiced listening, repeating, shadowing, and listening to a real-life dialogue. That is a lot of good English practice.
Remember, the most important thing is to keep practicing. Don't be afraid to try using these words in your own sentences.
Yes, maybe today, when you eat your lunch or dinner, you can think, I am eating lunch, or this food is delicious.
Little steps like that will help you remember the words and make them a part of your everyday English.
We are so proud of your hard work today. Thank you for joining us on Beginner English Speaking TV.
We hope you had fun and learned a lot. Keep practicing, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep speaking English.
Bye-bye. Take care.